Hi students, O-Levels Online presents the video lecture series for financial statements without adjustment. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Level upcoming exam either in June or November through CAIE or IGCSE for accounting 7707 or 0452. Let's begin the lesson material. Why financial statements? These are written records that convey the business activities, the financial performance at the end of every year or any period as per management requirements. Here points should be noted: the business activities, financial performance, and at the end of the year. All these we will discuss in much detail one by one. Okay, let's move to the next slide. What are business activities? Business activities are any events that are undertaken by a company to earn a profit. It means any activity to perform profit for a business is lying in this category. Let's suppose selling of any product or services, etc. How many types of businesses? Let's discuss. There are three types. Sole trader: a single person controls all business activities and he is liable to take all responsibilities regarding profit or loss of the business. Second one is partnership: two or more than two people control all business activities and they are all liable to take all responsibilities regarding profit or loss of the business according to their share in the business. Third one, company, is a bunch of people who control all business activities through assigned management team and will be responsible for all liabilities and profits or loss based on limited or unlimited in nature. Okay, let's move to the next slide. What is the year end? It is any 12-month consecutive period that the company uses for accounting purposes. The fiscal year or financial year is expressed by stating the year end date. Fiscal year end is usually the end of any quarter, such as March 31st, June 30, September 30, or December 31st, or directly at the end of the year. Normally June 30 or December 31st as per local business requirements. Okay, let's move to the next slide. What does financial performance mean? It is a subjective measure of how well a firm can use assets from its primary mode of business and generate revenues. The term is also used as a general measure of a firm's overall financial health over a given period. Okay, let's move to the next slide. How many types of financial statements? There are three types. Let's see. The income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Cash flow statement not included in your course. We will discuss one by one in upcoming lessons the rest of two financial statements. Hopefully you got a clear understanding of financial statement as an introduction. If you have any query, kindly ask in the comment section of this video accordingly. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more video like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.